Provider, a state management package that makes it easy to manage app state. HTTP, a package for making HTTP requests. It provides functions for sending HTTP requests and receiving HTTP responses. DO, another HTTP client for Flutter that supports interceptors, global configuration, form data, request cancellation, and more. Get, a package that simplifies navigation and state management in Flutter applications. Cached network image, a package for loading and caching images from the network. Shared_preferences, a simple way to store key-value pairs on a device, which is often used for persisting app preferences. URL_launcher, a Flutter plugin for launching a URL in the mobile platform's default web browser. SQLite, a SQLite plugin for Flutter. It provides a set of high-level APIs for SQLite databases. Flutter_block, a predictable state management library that helps implement the block business logic component design pattern. Flutter_SVG, a package for rendering SVG files as Flutter widgets.